Hey Vernon, this is Jeff Gilden. Just wanted to show you how to make some text changes on your website. First, you'll go to renovaindustries.com/wp-admin and hit enter, and that'll bring you to a login page here. And your username is Recycler9 and the password that I sent you. So I'll log in with that. So you'll type that in and hit login. And you can save it in your browser if you'd like. So you are an administrator. You've got these options over here on the left. It's a nice way to organize some things. You've got posts, which are your blog posts, pages, and that's pretty much it. The post and the pages and events actually is where you'll log another event. So I'll have to show you all three of those. For pages, what I like to do is I like to click up here on Renova Industries. That'll take me to the main site, and it gives me this little edit bar at the top. So then what I can do is I can browse to the page that I want to change just to make sure that I'm on the correct page. So for example, if you wanted to change something on the benefits page, what you would do is up here at the top it says edit page. Click on that and that'll bring you into the edit page section. What we have here is a page builder. So you've got full width container. This basically holds all the elements. So you've got the title of 3 distinct benefits, the paragraph there, why you should own a Renova, this checklist, and then a separator at the bottom for a little bit of space. I'm going to right click on view page and open it just so I can show you where each one of these sections are. So we've got 3 distinct benefits, and then that text box, why should you own a Renova, and then the checklist there. Now this section on the right is actually a sidebar. So if you go to, and I'll come to this in a second, I just want to show you where this is. If you go to appearance and widgets, the sidebar is right here. And then, I'm sorry, there's a sidebar for each one of these pages: services, contact us, and benefits. So on the benefits page, you've got these 3 content boxes. So you'll see vision statement with this text. It's a vision statement, and then the text below. And if you edit this section, be sure not to delete any of these bracketed information, but only the sentence or paragraph that you're trying to edit. On the benefits page, so if we want to edit this title 3 distinct benefits, come in here and click that pen, and right here in the text area is where you'll change the title. And then some of these other things are for styling and padding and spacing and all that kind of stuff. Then you'll hit save instead of cancel. Same thing, here's a pen tool for the text area. And then you've got this little text editor. I like to click this toolbar toggle, so I have all these tools right here. And it acts just like a Word document. So if you're going to highlight this, and let's say you want to bold it, you just come up here and click the bold. So now that word is going to be bold on the page. Or if you wanted to italicize this, hit italicize, and now it's italicized. If you want to make a link to a page about hot asphalt mix, click on or highlight it, and then click on the link button, and then you'll type your link here, and you'll hit enter. And so that's the link there. You can click on it and click the edit tool if you need to change it or put the wrong link in there. There's also this link options button. If you want to link to another page on your website, what you'll do is you'll click the link options button, and then you can search for, let's say, the contact us page. And there you go. So you just click on that and you'll see that it put the link up here for contact us. Hot asphalt mix is going to be the link. Hit update, And now this is a link on the page. If anybody clicks it, they'll be taken to this page, the contact page. So that's basic editing. If you wanted to add a picture, you can upload images from your computer. Just hit select files, browse your computer, choose the image, and then once it goes and uploads it, it'll be in your media library. And when it uploads it, it'll give you this section over here on the right that has a couple of options. Alignment, what you can do is align it on the right, and I'll show you what that does. You also have some different sizes. So if you upload a really, really large photo, it'll give you full size, extra large, large, medium, small thumbnail. So you'll have a bunch of different sizes in here. This one is actually smaller than the small size, so it's only giving me one size. But you'll have a different options in here you can choose from. And then alignment, hit insert into page. And now you've got this here on the right because we've right aligned it. Now what I like to do is click and hold that image and drag it, and you'll see the cursor in the background. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but drop it where the cursor is and it'll start there. Now this is right aligned, but it's at the beginning of this sentence, so it's over here on the right, and all the text wraps around it like that. If you do no alignment, you'll see it's at the beginning of that, and it'll mess up the formatting there. So I always do left or right alignment just so it looks really nice. And let's see what else. All the other tools here, you're pretty much, I think you're familiar with. Creating a link, adding an image, and bolding and things like that are the main items here. If you want to link this image somewhere, just go to edit, and right here where it says link to custom URL, and just drop your URL in there and hit update. That is how you edit a page. How you do posts is the same exact way. When you click add new post, you can choose to use the Fusion Page Builder, or for blog posts, you may just want to have the text editor here just to make it simpler. Same way here. Excuse me. You've got the text here. You can bold, italicize, format how you want to right there. Enter the title of your blog post. And that's how you create a post on the site. I'm going to not save this. I'll save the draft, and then it'll give me the option to delete. So I can move to trash right here. Click move to trash. And then the other thing is the event page. So we've got two events. I've got these events. I'm going to check them, and I'm going to move those to the trash. So we've got two events right now. The New England Public Works Expo and the APWA 2016 Public Works Expo. So what you want to do is click add new, and then from there you're going to give this a title. So that would be the APWA or whatever the expo is. Public Works Expo 2016. You can put a little description here about the Public Works Expo. I clicked, if there's not a start time and end time, just click all day event. You'll choose your choose your start time, choose your end time, if I can do this correctly. So the 22nd to the 29th. You can use a saved venue. So I've got Holiday Inn in Minneapolis Convention Center saved. If it's a new venue, just type the venue in here. Let's just say Holiday Inn, say Charlotte, and then the address, city, country, state. Just type all that information in there. It'll show you a map. It'll also do a link to the map, and then you can put the organizer right here, and that's pretty much it. If there's an event website, you can list that here. And then if there's a cost, which there's not for you because you're just showing it as an event that you're going to, that's where you can put that there. But I haven't formatted anything for the cost. And then the very last thing, you want to make sure that you check this trade shows and events box right here in the categories. That'll have it show up on the right page. So if I hit publish, and I'll take it off really quick after I show you, you'll see that the expo that I just created is right here, July 22nd through the 29th. Click on it, Public Works Expo, takes me to this page that's formatted. It's got the start date, end date, event category, the venue, Google Map, everything over here on the right. And then here's the description. So you would say, join us today, on the 22nd of July. We're going to be over at the, booth number 125 or whatever you want to say in this little description area. So when they click on it, they can get some more information. Or, this is the Public Works Expo in Pennsylvania, whatever you want to say here. And then they have the option of adding it to their Google Calendar or adding it to their iCalendar. And they can also share it as well if they want to share it. So that's a little overview of that. In the trade shows and events page, it actually shows up like this. So you'll have the title, the description there, date, venue, there's a Google Map for it, and then they can click find out more and it'll take them back to that page that I just showed you. So that is pretty much the bulk of the edits that I believe you will make. If you have any more, I can walk you through those or do a separate video, but that should get you through a bunch of the changes. Thanks.